happy with your money.
Heh. Yeah. Hey, it's recording. I didn't know that. Did you?
No, not really.
Me either.
There's
Are you
all
ready?
kinds of, that's why I got you
Mom.
all the stuff for the plans and stuff. There's different plans.
Can I take you to Buffalo then?
When you get to Buffalo, Ken, you're required within 3 months to change to a Buffalo number when you go up there. Or else they'll shut your phone off. They'll shut it
She
down.
lost her sock.
Why didn't you
Yeah,
ask
I
them
lost
to
four
change it?
socks. Four socks.
They can't give you a Buffalo number down here. They can only give you a Florida number. And this will work on the Greyhound because most of the towers
I
are
look like
on
a unicorn.
75 and 74. That's why I got you all this information. What?
I have extra clothes.
I will turn Tyler into a baby.
Boom.
Tyler is now a baby.
Oh, somebody lost the...
Tyler is now a baby.
Oh, could be.
Tyler is now a baby. Now we will turn her back into a normal human.
Huh?
Boom. Tyler is alive. Tyler. Tyler. Hi.
Here.
Hi. Let's go outside. Nah.
This is awkward.
Goodbye.
Bye.
We shall return.
In my hair.